video in class of in Australia how people hate cane toads. No, there's a video that cane toads are like this. In Australia, people go out of their way to run them over. They pop like a balloon. People hate them. There's like millions of them. They just want them dead. There's like a couple hundred on the road. They showed this guy. He's in an SUV. He's swerving to hit this thing. On purpose. He's going out of his way to just hit him. I reach myself down. No matter what, I always. Now, why were you complaining all of English, saying that you needed to do your work if you don't like reading?
I just played around. I'd be right back.
Does your biology teacher let you bring a laptop in?